Welcome back. Today, we'll see how to check which Indian states are hosting the most FIDE-rated tournaments using ShareChess. Start by heading over to ShareChess.com. From the top menu, click on the Tournament Calendar. Once the page loads, you'll see a comprehensive list of upcoming tournaments scheduled across India. If you want to view tournaments for a specific region, use the state-wise filter. Simply click the drop-down menu and select the state you're interested in. Looking at our current list, we have 69 tournaments in total. Tamil Nadu is leading the way with 23 events, followed closely by Maharashtra with 11. A key feature here is the number next to each state name. This reflects the total count of tournaments scheduled in that state. It makes it incredibly easy to see where the action is happening. Tamil Nadu continues to solidify its reputation as the chess capital of India, consistently leading the nation in professional event density. Keep in mind, if a state doesn't appear in the drop-down, it means there are no tournaments currently scheduled there. Stay ahead of the game with ShareChess.